Are your private messages really private? It's a question we all ask. Messaging apps can be super secure, but it all comes down to the settings you choose. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to lock down your messaging apps on both Android and iPhone. No jargon, just simple, powerful tips. First, let's talk Android. The most important step happens before you even open an app. Secure your phone, go to your settings, and set a strong screen lock. Use a PIN with at least 6 digits, or even better, a password. Avoid simple patterns. Also, make sure your phone is set to auto-lock after 30 seconds or less. And please, enable automatic OS updates. A secure app on an insecure phone is like putting a steel door on a paper house. Okay, phone secured. Now for the apps. I highly recommend Signal for top-tier security. But WhatsApp is also a solid choice with end-to-end encryption. The first thing you should do inside your chosen app is enable the app lock. You'll usually find this under Privacy or Security. Set it to lock immediately with a PIN or your fingerprint. This way, even if someone gets past your phone's lock screen, your chats are still safe. Next, let's stop prying eyes. Go to your phone's notification settings and hide message previews on the lock screen. This simple tweak prevents anyone from glancing over and reading your incoming messages. Another game changer is disappearing messages. In your app's settings, you can set a default timer for messages to self-destruct, say after 1 day or a week. This drastically reduces your digital footprint over time. Now for a big one, backups. Cloud backups are convenient, but they are often the weakest link. By default, many aren't end-to-end encrypted. In WhatsApp, go to Chat Settings, find Backups, and turn on end-to-end encrypted backup. You'll need to create a strong, unique password for it. For Signal, you can either disable backups or use an encrypted local backup. Whatever you do, don't leave your chat history unencrypted in the cloud. Two more critical settings. First, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in your app's account settings. This is often called a registration lock or PIN, and it protects you if someone tries to steal your phone number. Second, head to the privacy settings and control who can add you to groups or call you. Limiting this to my contacts is a great way to cut down on spam and phishing attempts. Finally, make it a monthly habit to review your linked devices. If you see a session you don't recognize, log it out immediately. Now, for all you iPhone users, the process is very similar. Start by locking down your iPhone. Use a 6-digit or alphanumeric passcode, enable Face ID or Touch ID, and set auto-lock to 30 seconds. And, of course, always keep your iOS updated. For iMessage, the good news is that it's end-to-end encrypted by default, but you can make it even better. Go to your iPhone settings, then Messages, and turn on Filter Unknown Senders. This separates messages from people not in your contacts into a different list, helping you avoid spam. Just like with Android, you need to protect your app access and previews. Go to Settings, then Notifications, find Show Previews, and set it to when unlocked. This keeps your messages private on the lock screen. Many messaging apps on iPhone will let you use Face ID to lock them, so be sure to enable that feature within each app. The most important step for iPhone users is securing your iCloud backups. Go to your Apple ID settings, then iCloud, and find Advanced Data Protection. Turn this on. This encrypts almost everything in your iCloud, including your message backups. It's a massive security boost. Make sure your Apple ID has a strong password and 2FA enabled. 2. Just like on Android, you should enable disappearing messages in your apps. Review linked devices regularly, and check your Apple ID settings for any unknown devices logged into your account. So, here's a quick checklist for everyone. Android or iPhone, use a strong device lock. Enable the app lock feature. Hide message previews on your lock screen. Use encrypted backups, or disable them entirely. Turn on two-factor authentication, use disappearing messages, and regularly review your linked devices. Following these steps will make your private conversations exactly that, private. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on digital security. Stay safe out there.